This is where the journey begins. Jambo, my name is Nick from HIKARI School of Music, and we are going to be sharing with you nuggets and teaching you different styles of playing on different instruments. So today I'm going to be talking about the ukulele. Lovely instrument. I love it because it's got only 4 strings. You can see from that you got these 4 strings, and it's quite easy to play actually. You get on the road, first lesson, you have learned to play something. This is the instrument. And you as a beginner, if you can grab your ukulele, if you've got an ukulele, and we will learn together. Before we do the fretting and the playing, the most important thing is the tuning. You have got this string, the 4th string at the top, the thinnest string. This string is a G. And then the next string, which is the 3rd string, this is a C. And then you've got next string, which is the 2nd string, it's an E. And then we have got an A as the bottom string. So we are looking at reading our music from the bottom. This is the 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, and 4th string. If you place your 1st finger, this little finger, on this 1st box here, it's called the fret, on the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and you count them like that. So on the 1st fret, and you strum, you can use your thumb, and probably I'll just advise you to play on just somewhere close to this hole, the sound box. That is a C7. Okay? And then you have the next string, which is the E, and you play that note. If you play the 3 strings, the first 3 strings, that is an F. And with those 2 chords, you can play whatever song you want. In fact, many children's songs will be played on this. When you strum down, 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 down. I normally like using my 1st finger, or the 2nd finger as you call it, and I just strum down like that. You can see, okay? Or you can use them. And there's some people who just use their fingers like that. So whichever you fancy, you can just use and see what you like. I'm going to play Mary Had a Little Lamb, and I'm going to start from F, and then I go to C7. So Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. Just like that. Isn't it fun? And so if you liked the session, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and write on the comment down there. Thank you and see you soon. Kwaheri. Bye bye.